Hey everyone, it's been a while since I made a video, so I figured I'd make a quick one here. Got a Husqvarna push mower. It's got the Briggs & Stratton 625 Quantum. Problem is, this lady made a common mistake. She tipped it over to clean the grass out from the underside, and she tipped it over the wrong way, carburetor down. So it's full of oil and it won't start. Let's go take care of that. Alright, first off, I'd like to apologize for the traffic noise. It is 95 degrees out today. My garage does not have air conditioning. There's a little bit of a breeze out here, so I'd rather work out here. So, alright. So as you can see, it does not start. So, let's get you down here. First off, as you can see, there's a bunch of oil down here from being tipped over wrong. Pull the spark plug wire. Pull the spark plug and see what that looks like. We'll probably just throw a new one in there just to be done with it. Oh yeah, look at that. See that? Just full of oil. Just for the fun of it, let's give it one more spin over, see if any oil comes out. Alright, so took out a Champion RJ19LM, putting in a Briggs & Stratton 796112. So let's pin that in. Snug it up. We don't want to go too tight. And that is a 13/16 socket. Alright, so we got that done. Let's pull that air filter. What do you say we pull that and see what that looks like? Again, it was tipped over the wrong way. If you're thinking it's going to be full of oil, I'm going to say you're right. Yeah, you can already feel the oil on there. Look at that air filter. Yeah, that air filter needs to be replaced. Let's bring it down here and take a look at that. So, you see it? It's all caked with oil. So we're going to clean that. So we got the air filter off. New spark plug in there. We're going to leave the air filter off to see if it'll start. If it does, it may need to smoke for a while to get all that oil out of there. So let's bring you to the side and see what happens. So as you've seen, spark plug was bad, air filter toast. So you've seen I put a new spark plug in, got a brand new air filter. We're going to throw that in. And as you've seen, when I had it running, it was smoking. There was some oil still in the carburetor. We got that cleaned out. So that's as far as we need to go with the carburetor. So we're going to tighten this up. And it runs again. So they asked me to also change the oil and sharpen the blade, which is what I do for normal tune-up. So, other than that, that is what I had to do for it being tipped over the wrong way. I won't bore you with the changing the oil or sharpening the blade, but the point of the video was, if you accidentally tip this over, muffler side up, and that oil drains through and comes out of your carburetor and does that, take the air filter off, either clean the spark plug or change it, start it up, let it run for a while. It's going to smoke. Sometimes, some are more than others. Sometimes it may take 10-15 minutes to burn that oil out of the carburetor, but that should be all you have to do. Some mowers may be different, may take more than that, but that's what this took. Other than that, you have a good day and take care.